Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Hope you are doing fine. Happy Sunday today on Sunday. I say I do this news about the same our Edo deputy and governor. The wahala when they grant since then. Our governor don't finally, do his work, waiting he like to do. According to the news, let's say Obaseki versus Shaibu deputy governor office move out of government house, governor house. Edo governor don remove deputy for inside government house, that is inside governor house, abi inside office, inside governor office. Normal they supposed to dey the same place, the same office, they do things. According to wetin dem read talk, they say following the between the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy Phillip Shaibu, the state government has relocated the office of the deputy. He don locate the office of the deputy to outside, to maybe governor don remove deputy for inside government house, he carry am go opposite. My people, I no know, maybe that the reason why I bring this video and this news come. Let me know in the comment section if you ever hear since you was born say deputy and governor they get misunderstanding, then governor will come get power to remove the deputy inside office. For me, since I was born till now, I have never heard before. But deputy and governor, they always get, sometimes they get argument, they get quarrel, but everybody they do their job. No man, no be una put una self for them. Una say na wan go work, no be fight, now go the fight. E no mean say we dey the same office, we will be best friend. E no mean like that. Let's read let's read more. They say, okay, following the, I don't read that one. It was gathered that the new office is suitable at number 7 Dennis Osadebe, write it, venue close to the government house where he locates his deputy go meet. Power. The new deputy government office used to be the state public procurement office commissioned by a former governor of the state senate Adam Oshomole on December 16, 2014. Now the office when Adam build form na carry Shaibu deputy of Edo go now. When Daily Trust correspondent visited the place, he observed signboard with the inscription office of the deputy governor. Okay, my people, I hope you guys dey read about una self. Make una read about una self. My main purpose of bringing this this news come here, I want use and still talk to our father, our governor, and everybody. Normal, when you dey request for this position, you not tell us say you dey go there, you want go fight. You tell us say you want go work for us. Why fighting your deputy? Which power be this? Why some people power they always they use people? Why? I always dey tell people, say pray to God. Tell God, this power I'm asking, don't let this power to use me. This money I'm asking, God, once you bless me with this with this money, let me be the control of money. If money is controlling you, then you are in bondage. If you have money and the money, you can't control your money, then you are in bondage. If you have power and you can't control your power, then you are in bondage. What is this? The power you have as a governor, the same power your deputy have. The very day they vote for you is the same vote go to deputy. Why this power? Why? I don't really understand. Look at roads. People are hungry. You are there fighting your deputy. Just because he go visit Oshomole, or because he say he want to be governor. If he say he want to be governor, as a politics, you choose who you want bring. You choose who you want support. You choose who you want tell your people to support. But you don't have right to move him out. Normal, it's good. He come from Isha too. Not be only Esakon and Benin, 9 day the whole 80 local government. It go the way you said, okay, let this governor still come from Isha land. But the way you are carrying the thing, you are too taking it personal. We are too full of greedy. We are greedy. Greed na dey carry us, na make us never still go forward. How can Shaibu, you my brother, you just na you rule deputy, then from deputy now you wan enter governor? Wetin be this? Na who dey pursue us? Which kind power dey do us? Which kind power dey do us? You will let another person go see, because there is some work you no do, you will still let another person go still do am. No be say you will still dey there say as far you just dey move, because na only una get the Nigeria. We don't get power now. We the citizens of Nigeria, we don't get power. As far as una fit put una self, una fit do anything, then you fit still just talk say you wan be governor. But e no make you remove your deputy for inside office. Which kind power be that, our governor? Erosion dey carry you, dey go where you no know. You no fit do road. You no fit do road. Every day na dey fight. Na only una be the government when the governor when dey Nigeria. Na only una out of 36 states, now it's 37 according to Abuja. They add Abuja. 37 states. You hear another governor and deputy dey quarrel every day. Edo, every day Edo, every day Edo, and work full day and not do work. You say no, come outside as a governor, then you leave am. If you go APC as now, not na APC na for run go PDP. From PDP, if you still go APC, or from APC, from PDP, if you still go LOP 71, LOB 73, if you still go anywhere you want go. But it don't make say you will come over out of the office of government. The right you have, the same right Shaibu have. He pay me say no law. Because the law when they say it dey, that law no be law. Me una do, me una change am. Anybody when you do shaggy, they go show and shaggy. Because as accordingly to everything when I don't hear, they say as far as say you dey serve Nigeria, nobody go fit sue you. Nobody go fit arrest you. Now I make all of na the calavanti. Because when Edo governor do this work, I ask, why government, why other, Senate, House of Assembly, President, they no call una? Why no law where you go feed the guide una, or when one want the mezebu? No law like that. The moment they vote you, whether you do anything, till they go wait, may you come on. That law, may una do, may una change am. May una do, may una change am. Because this government, Obaseki, you don't have right. You don't have that right to remove your second. The very day they tell you you are win, that's the same day they tell this man he's win. The power that is the power you get, the same power he gets. You na the power for the whole Nigeria to go to represent there. In there, around Edo State, he still represent Edo State too. But he all focus it's to still supervise everything, 18 local government, the way he exposed them that day. I know this thing when this man do, a lot of things go come up. Me, I don't already know, I don't already write, I dey wait all those things. Then he quickly go summon you for court because una gathers na want to persecutors na want to remove am for government house. Una see succeed so una not come fit collect the paper. Una not come fit collect the paper. That is deputy come up for in hand. Then as the body call paper una reach. Nigeria politics. Me una take am easy now. Una dey serve vox. Me una take am easy. What is this? What is this? Just because you get power, person when they close to you can't breathe. Can you guys, rethink? What is this? You guys gather. You want to pull him down from that deputy. Then, una wanna be politician, una be talky. Out of those people, you guys plan it together. One must whisper his ear. Then he not sue you. He not take you to court. Because you don't have right. Then he need to prepare himself. He need to secure himself. Then he took you to Abuja court. What did I do you? I want to be governor. You say no. Okay, then. Why are you still pursuing me? Not be by force. Now make me tell people. You get right to choose who you want to vote for. You get right to bring who you want. You get right to say, okay, now this one I want to vote for. No, this one. Why fighting him? Why planning the way you want? Why planning you want to remove him for government? For his position, for deputy. Now make the guy go take you to court, Abuja court. Now, as body don't they do you now? You guys are not there to serve the Edos. You guys are not there. You guys are just there, to serve yourself, to fight yourself, to do whatsoever you like to do. Then, as the body pepper you reach, you remove him out of the office of government. Are you the owner of Edo? Are you the owner of that office? Are you the one who built that office? You are not the one that built that. That office is not your house. Go to your house and do anything. As far you are in government house, you are in full Edo house. 18 local government house, that is there. You are serving us. Bring your ego down. Those your hot body, please bring it down. Our governor, Obaseki, serve us. We don't vote you there to go and calavanting. Serve us. Please. I'm sorry if the way I talk to my governor is sound as disrespect. But those our politicians, they need it. Sometimes you guys need it. Look at erosion. One swim, you go where you don't know. You are busy fighting. They go ask you do road. You will say na government road, na federal road. Federal road. Federal road. But other governor, they do federal road. That's why I always tell my people. Now they do, video. Take the attack those na governor. Now, na governor, na state governor, they're supposed to do na place. They're supposed to do na city. Not be president. President na just to release money, give them. President na to release money, give them. Sometimes they will not release the money, give the local government when president release the money. They will sit down on top. May God help our politicians. May God help our country. Please, if you want people, you ask us to vote for you. Do your mind. Make sure no say you are going that office for the 18 local government. That office is not for you. It's not your house. You are serving the Edo people. You are serving us. We pay you. We pay you millions just because you want to serve us. Then give us the service. Fix what we want. Try renovate children's school. How many schools do you renovate now? I don't know if I can do research. Let me know in government, in the time of Obaseki, how many schools they renovate in Edo State? How many roads did you repair? Those are the things we ask you. Security, those are the things. Give our children good school, good cheer. No, you guys are there, calavanting, fighting. I pray God Almighty should give us good leaders. We don't have power on our own. It's only God that will do it for us one day. Those judgeability leaders, one day God will sweep you guys out. Then we give us good one who will serve. And one day God will give us good president who will put strong law like Chinese, who make Chinese be who they are today. I pray that kind of strong law, whether you thief one kobo, you will go for it. I pray that kind of law should exist in my country so that when you are making up your mind, I want to go and serve, you will know all the law. They will give you Bible and paper, sign, you will sign. Then once you mezebu, in fact, you will face the law. Because this is too much. The moment they vote you guys there, you guys will be oppressing us. We that said you want to serve, you guys will start oppressing us. God, Avenger, he will fight for us. My people, just let me tell you now, say, Obaseki, Edo governor, don't finally succeed to move Deputy Shaibu, Phillip Shaibu, out of the office. He don't put the office opposite the government office now. Now, what did happen for Edo yesterday, Saturday? Now I bring come for now. The video, I dey try to look for it. If I see the video, maybe I will blast am for any news. I will blast am, then una go see and say no be lie. I hope as una read this news now, see say no be lie, I lie. Say now wetin happen, now I bring come from that table. Wetin you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Drop your opinion and pray for our land, Edo land, so that peace and unity will come between deputy and governor, so that they will know the reason why they are there. Because election is just election just day. Election are next year. Elections next year. I don't know, power they use two of them. And this one I get to talk when I give me like my video. Please, I'm not here for them. I'm not a politician. It's what I see and my own opinion. You drop your own opinion.
Take my out, oh, my mind that you be talk, oh. I put my life into my job and then